Ever wished your car could be both a fortress and a warm haven before you even step inside? Well, this directed electronics Clifford 5606X bundle aims to deliver just that, and it's packing some serious punch. It's not just an alarm, it's a full-blown remote start system designed to make your life easier, and it comes bundled with a couple of crucial companions: the DB3 bypass module and the VSM 550 Smart Start interface. This means it's ready to integrate with a wide range of vehicles, from your trusty sedan to your rugged SUV, and even those fuel-sipping hybrids. The remote start functionality is pretty impressive, working with fuel-injected, diesel, and hybrid vehicles, as long as they have an automatic transmission. Imagine stepping out into a freezing morning or a scorching afternoon, and having your car already at the perfect temperature. That's the kind of convenience this system promises. The inclusion of the DB3 bypass module is a smart move, simplifying the integration process with your vehicle's existing electronics, which can often be a headache with these types of systems. But the real game changer here is the VSM 550 Smart Start GPS module. This little guy, when paired with a premium service plan, essentially turns your smartphone into the ultimate car key. You can start your car, lock and unlock doors, and even track its location, all from your phone. It's like having a personal valet in your pocket. While the system itself is robust, it's important to note that some vehicles might need additional parts, and professional installation is highly recommended. This isn't a plug-and-play weekend project for the faint of heart. It requires expertise. However, for those looking to elevate their vehicle's security and comfort, this Clifford bundle offers a compelling, feature-rich solution. It's a powerful combination that brings modern convenience and peace of mind to your daily drive.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.